Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can use Data Wrangler extension in Visual Studio Code. Data Wrangler is a tool for viewing, cleaning, and transform data. And the extension we're going to be using is this one. Please download it, which is Data Wrangler. And for this video, I have an example with few steps that will help you understand how to use this. The first one is load a CSV file to Data Wrangler, and then how to select specific columns to continue with converting text to uppercase. These are just normal transformation you normally apply. And how to rename columns, apply group by and aggregate functions to your data, and then how to filter rows and change column data types. Finally, we're going to be generating the code for all the previous transformation using Data Wrangler. So, okay, nice. I'm going to go back to my files. I already have a CSV right here. But for this video, I'm going to open a Jupyter notebook. I'm going to save it as demo. And here, I'm going to import pandas as PD. I'm going to create a pandas data frame that contains our information, pd.read CSV with world cities dot CSV. And let's see what we have. Okay, this is the first 5 rows of our data frame, but this is the way Jupyter Notebooks shows us the information. I want to open it using Data Wrangler. Okay, so as you can see, here's an option, Open A in Data Wrangler. So if you press it, Data Wrangler will be open, but there's another way, which is right here, View Data, and select the Pandas data frame. Okay, uh, this is our data frame. This is an overview of the data. When you open Data Wrangler, there are 2 modes. The first one is viewing mode right here at the corner, viewing mode and editing mode. The first one is just when you want to see the content of your data. For example, right here, we see the city, latitude, longitude, country. This is information about the population of each city in the world. We have many columns, and here almost at the end, we have the population. Okay, on the left side, you will see a data summary section, which contains information about the number of rows and columns we have, missing value by columns, for example, right here, and also this is the name of each column, okay? This is the name of each column. For example, lat, which is latitude, longitude, country, etc. And when the column is numeric type, you will also have a histogram, which shows you the distributions, okay? You can hide this in this option and hide column insights. But for this video, we're going to be applying transformations. So I'm going to change this to editing mode. And as we said before, the first step is just how to select specific columns. Okay. For that, as you can see on the left side, you will see 3 sections. The first one is operations, which contains all the transformation you can apply using Data Wrangler. For example, find and replace, which contains four transformation, drop duplicate rows, drop missing values, fill missing values, and also in format, capitalize first character, convert text to lowercase, and many more. We have also something called data summary. For each column, you can see a data summary, okay? Which is really helpful. For example, this column, you will have mean, standard deviation, and the percentiles. Mhm. Okay, and also at the end, you have cleaning steps, which contains all the steps we're going to be applying. Okay, so mm, 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 what? Let's select only to select specific columns. I'm going to expand the schema, select columns, and the columns I want are city underscore ASCII, latitude, longitude, country, and population. Did you notice, guys, when I was selecting this, a line of code appears here that represents the transformation we just applied. Mhm. Okay, I'm going to apply it. And now I have the only the columns I needed. And then let me see what else we have to do. Mm-mm-mm. Let's convert the text to uppercase. For example, in city underscore ASCII and country, I want to capitalize all the content. Okay. So for that, let's go to format, maybe format, format, convert text to uppercase. I'm going to select the columns, which are this one, city and country. Now you see two colors. The green color is the transformation we apply, and the red color is the data just as it is right now. So I'm going to press apply, and there you go. Nice and easy, isn't it? Okay, and after that, I'm going to rename the first column. And yes, only the first column in this case. So for that, let's go to schema, rename column, choose the column, in this case, city underscore ASCII, just only city. Okay, apply. Interesting. Um, let's see the cleaning steps. Did you notice that rename column and convert text to uppercase and select the columns? Here are all my steps. If for any reason you want to delete some of them, you just press right here, delete. Mhm. So, and also, I want to show you when you can also write a transformation just right here in this section. For example, I'm going to rename latitude and longitude column. So for that, mm, rename column columns. I'm going to use a dictionary which contains the name. For example, let replace it by latitude. You can see a leaf transformation of your data while typing, okay? And replace this by longitude. Okay, interesting. I'm going to add a comment, for example, mm, renaming columns. Yes, apply. Okay, there we go. Interesting. Now, let's use a group by. Okay, group by country and sum the population. For this, let's go to group by and aggregate columns to group by country. Add aggregation, aggregation, population, and the function would be sum. Apply. Interesting, interesting. Okay, guys. Then maybe I'm going to sort this. Sort in descending order. Okay, nice. Apply. So, are we applying this transformation to our original data frame? No. The answer is no. We're applying this transformation to a copy. Okay, just if we want to apply, if we want to get all this transformation and apply it to our original data, we have to export to notebook. And here it automatically creates a function called clean data that receives a data frame and contains all the transformation we just did. Okay, so I'm going to apply it as you see right here, the same notebook. I'm going to execute this and here is our transformation. It's pretty interesting, guys. I encourage you to use this extension, explore more options, and if you have any comment, please let me know. I hope you enjoy, and let's see in another video. Bye bye.